Time for almost the last piece of the puzzle, which is the rear end of this Urus Mansory. We already have the full exhaust system on there. Now we're going to mate the rear bumper to the rear diffuser, and on the Mansory kit, it's massive. It's literally every time we think we're done with a piece on this Mansory kit, there's more pieces we got to put on there. The front bumper, I can't explain to you how much forged carbon is on there. It's insane. I'm gonna put it together right now. I think all together it's gonna look really, really good. So let's get this done.
Yay!
We have a special project finished up. As usual, it's the end of the week and we had to finish this crazy project for our good buddies at TBTFW. This is crazy. This is a big boy Urus build. This is a Performante Urus and it has the brand new Mansory Venatus S or Performante kit on there. This is the new version. United States, this is probably either the first or second one and it looks crazy. I've seen a lot of Mansory in my days and none of them caught my eye, but this one is gorgeous. It features a really special metallic red wrap on it as well. But look at all that forged carbon fiber everywhere. And we opted to do a bunch of wrap on this. Usually the Mansory kit, they don't do a lot of the wrapping on the front. They leave it all exposed mostly. But we did a kind of a little theme here that I think I really liked, which is red across. So it shows off that really cool feature in the front with the vents. And then we got red pinstripe on the bottom, full forged carbon fiber everywhere else. We have lights right here. This is the triangle lights, all new. It actually matches like the Rivalto lights. So pretty cool to see that. We have obviously the full forged carbon fiber hood. This is the aggressive one with the slits here and the vents, all that stuff. We got the fender replacement right here. This is a full blown fender replacement. And then on top of the fender, you put the flares as well. So forged carbon vents, forged carbon vent here, Mansory shield right there, looks incredible. Obviously the flare, and then we continue on down with the entire side skirts, the rocker panels. Obviously again, full forged carbon fiber with some of it wrapped in the metallic. You got the 24-inch YN5 Mansory wheels. We did the red pinstripe around it to match the wrap, just to give it a little bit more flavor. You go to the back, which this door is open. Thanks, Gabe. Here we have the rear end. Rear end is crazy. My favorite part about it. We have the performance wing, looks incredible. We didn't do a wing here. As usual, the big Mansory wings, you guys see that all the time. We didn't do that here. We wanted to leave that really subtle. But look at this rear. This is all new with this vent right here. This is new, so you see it's more aggressive than the old kit. You got these vents here, looks incredible. That massive rear diffuser with the center exhaust triple tips. Really bad build right here. This car also got a full interior job done. As you can see, it's completely white and red. It used to be a black interior. So overall, insane project. Hit us up for all your car needs. We could do big projects, smaller projects, whatever you guys want, hit us up.
Don't touch that car until next week. Fuck you, fat ass.
What do you say fuck me for?
What happened? Why you laugh?
Everything.
What is funny?
I know he wants to get a job done, but there's other stuff going in the way, and it's bothering him.
This car's been here for 32 months. Patient what? What part of patience do you fucking want? It's been here for 32 months.
Why you lie?
Okay, so let's
Whatever.
do this car.
I'm working over there anyway. Not just you gonna remove it.
Yeah, remove it for 2 days. But that one can be delayed for 4 days.
Car has to leave today.
Oh, this one is no light, huh?
It is.
That one has a light, yeah.
Yeah, that's right.
Okay. But he's coming in 2 hours. Will we done?
You want me to open the hood? Well, no, but seriously, it's going today. That part,
It's really leaving today.
that part's true.
Can you get it done like an hour and a half?
The middle part, I'm gonna make it ready like half hour.
Can this car done me like in 15 minutes?
What do you think, boy?
15 minutes? I got the guy's coming.
Another one in the books, as we say. We are done with this Range Rover complete makeover. Great color, great choice. Looks very, very elegant. Looks great with the wheels, grill combination, everything. Emblems, everything looks really nice on this car. Customer loved it as soon as he came in, and that's all that really matters. And we are on a test drive just to make sure all the functions of the car are okay, everything is working, we don't have any errors. The wheels were perfect. We did a brushed finish with clear. Looks really, really nice. Car was a satin black before, and it came out perfect. So very, very happy of the outcome.
We are standing in front of our paint booth here at RDB, and inside this booth is a large amount of Urus SE parts. Yes, this is the brand new Urus. We took the whole car apart already. Unfortunately, there is no body kit yet. They are actually coming in next month. So if you have a Urus SE, which is only like a handful of people now, hit us up. Let's get a wide body on there. It's gonna be the next big thing. But for now, this car is in a special orange color. It's actually a crazy pearl 3-stage orange. We had a lot of trouble for once paint matching this thing, so it took a little longer than we wanted to, but we finally got it. It's a crazy color, and it's a lot of parts, as you can see. Almost the entire front bumper, rear, side skirts, a lot of stuff that we're painting to color match it, because again, there's no body kit, so this customer wanted to do color matching stuff. So pretty cool to see. Right now he shot some clear coat. He has more layers of clear coat, and then this will be done, and we'll install this up on the Urus SE after.
I don't know what's going on with this guy. All right, you guys, the moment of truth. All right, so yeah, so you guys seen the last episode. We are calipers in. We're gonna go ahead and bleed the system, bleed the brake system now, make sure there's no air in it. Javier's gonna test it, put the wheel back, go for a nice test drive on this beautiful Porsche, and customer will be on the way later to pick it up. Very, very nice. OE factory original equipment from the dealer.
So now it's Monday. So this is my last day over here. So I go work at my place. So thank you very much. I love you guys. I'm gonna take a picture. I'm gonna remember you for memories. Thank you, Vic. I thank you for memory.
Thank you for all the breaking car memories.
Here's my resume.
Okay, tell your new boss to call me so I tell him all about you.
Does Luis work with you?
For
Has
the
he worked with you before?
How much money has Luis cost us in 1 month? Maybe $30,000.
Maybe more.
Maybe I mean, if I count your salary, then $100,000.
With the salary for 3 years or what?
So don't hire him.
He's bad. This guy is bad. He killed
No,
me.
he's good.
Don't listen, okay? Hire me.